Hi there, and welcome to this Interaction and Electronic video class. I'm Lorenzo, and I will be your teacher for this course. The goal of the class is to learn how to program advanced feedback using light and effects using Arduino. If you're taking this class, I assume that you already have some basic Arduino experience. You are able to make an LED blink, and you are able to read and write simple Arduino sketches. If you don't remember how to control a LED or how to read value from a button or an analog sensor, I highly recommend you to refresh your Arduino skills watching some Arduino tutorials for beginners. You can find some nice tutorials on YouTube at this link over here. In this class, we are going to focus on how to create nice and expressive feedback using the electronic components that you have in your IDE Interactive and Electronics kit. We will try to go beyond the basic light pattern, green is good and red is bad, and design more advanced and beautiful feedback. For example, we will try to design animated light patterns which could be experienced as aggressive or kind, hectic or sleepy, regular or romantic. Also, we will learn how to read sensors and control actuators in an asynchronous way. At the end of the course, we will see how to go from sketching an interaction on paper to programming it using state machines, a very handy programming paradigm which can be very helpful in structuring code for interactive products. All the exercises of this class are related to programming a very specific device. Together, we will build and code a Pomodoro timer, which is a handy device that people use to partition their work time into chunks of tasks and breaks. Working in the Pomodoro way helps you stay focused and healthy. Eventually, you can also use it yourself to help you keep focus while studying. To help you construct an embodiment for your Pomodoro timer, which is nice and ready to be placed on your desk, I designed a paper box that you can fold together and assemble with components. The box is designed to fit your Arduino Lotus board, one push button, one potentiometer, one servo motor, one buzzer, and one chainable RGB LED. You can just fold it and use it, or you can customize the paper template that you can find in your resources folder to your own specific needs. Instruction on how to assemble the paper box can be found in the resources folder as well. Hope you like this little Pomodoro box. So, are you ready to start? Please download the resources folder from this link over here. And before moving to the next video, make sure you have the Arduino IDE installed, and if not, you can just download a new copy from the arduino.cc website over here. Also, make sure you have the Pomodoro timer box assembled with all the components inside. Lastly, if this is the first time that you use the Arduino Lotus board on your computer, you will have to do a couple of things before being able to program it. First of all, you have to install some drivers for it. You can find the drivers and more instruction on how to set up the board at this link. Secondly, make sure to add Arduino board definition to your Arduino IDE. You can find instruction, again, on how to do that also on the Arduino wiki right here. Just follow the procedure described there to configure the board for your operating system, and you will be ready to go. Once you're ready, move on to the next video where we will check that everything works and we will start programming the Pomodoro timer. See you in a bit.